Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok in 2021. It's actually a very interesting and simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe here if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So what you want to do, and I'm not going to show you any shady ways downloading software. The easiest way is to just use all of your fingers and tap on each of these at the same time, or just click very fast. I just unfollowed a few people that I don't care about. So the only way is to just do it really fast. I actually just want to follow Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, NBA, and LeBron James. And I gotta warn you that you shouldn't install any apps from the Google Play Store or the App Store regarding this, because they do sell your data and it's not safe. And the best ways to do it manually. So if you're looking for a way to do it quickly, why do you follow so many people and don't risk your account by just signing into some shady app? If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.